Hi folks, this is your NWIS Fleeting View looking into the weekend. Get the winter thermals ready. There's going to be significant chill factor across the mountains over the days ahead, with a strong northerly wind, gale force across higher mountains for a good part of the time, making things rather challenging across higher terrain. There'll be some showers in the forecast as well, with some snow falling across the mountain tops, particularly in Scotland, with some sunshine around as well, best of that from central Scotland southwards through northern England on Saturday. Here's the sequence then, starting off with Friday, and complex areas of low pressure are on the scene. We have the wind turning northerly across Scotland. It's still westerly across Wales at this time. Areas of showers fairly frequent across West Wales, a few showers too for the Lake District and Yorkshire Dales and the Peak District as well, those tending to fade from the Lake District during the morning. Across Scotland, areas of frequent showery rain across more north and northeastern parts, and on the highest of tops around the Cairngorms in particular, falling as some sleet or some snow just on the very highest of terrain. And that remains rather frequent across those more northeastern districts all day. Showers will run down the west coast across the northwest Highlands as well. Best of conditions across Scotland typically found further southwestwards, with some sunshine and cloud breaks. Some more frequent persistent rain setting in across the east and north of the Cairngorms, and that will move further south toward the Borders and Cheviots, and later in the day expected to push toward the North Lakes and the Pennines as well. The winds strengthening significantly too, gale force much of the day, but becoming increasingly severe across higher mountain tops as time goes on. Heading onwards through Friday evening and night, and we'll see further areas of showers and some more constant falls of rain and upland snow coming down from the north, and the temperature and freezing level will be dropping as well through the night to be around 800 to 900 metres across Scotland, and getting close to the highest tops in England and Wales through the night into early Saturday. A cold and strong northerly wind will then prevail through the daytime. Further areas of showers will feed in onto north-facing areas, the north of the Highlands, down the west coast, and into West Wales as well. We'll see frequent showers, and on the highest tops these will fall as some snow, some hail mixed in as well. Away from these areas, from the central parts of the Highlands down through Dumfries and Galloway into northern England and across the borders as well, a largely dry story. One or two showers, some sunny spells around, and well-broken cloud towards or above many of the hilltops. So not a bad day in these places, but do be prepared for that strong northerly wind and a significant chill factor across all higher terrain, a severe chill factor over the high tops in Scotland. Further forwards into Sunday, we'll still see that north to northwesterly wind, and a similar picture to take us into Sunday morning, with areas of showers in those windward coastal districts. Some inland parts with shelter from the wind could see some frost even into the glens first thing in the morning. Sunday is then likely to see some more persistent rainfall pushing in from the west with time. Now that is open to a degree of uncertainty, but it looks increasingly wetter across the western coastal highlands, getting in towards the southwest of Scotland, Lake District and north and west Wales too. Middle of the day into the afternoon, increasingly setting in. Further east, getting away somewhat drier, one or two showers around, but some cloud breaks still to be found. The wind could vary quite a bit. It may just ease down for a while through Sunday, but then strengthen once more as the pattern just turns more westerly through the afternoon. So a deteriorating picture across more western regions, a wetter picture, very likely to end the weekend in these areas. Temperatures for Sunday will still be near to freezing point, at least on higher terrain in the morning, and that temperature just tending to rise with time. So any sleet or snow just on the forward side of that rain zone, turning generally to rain up toward the tops as it arrives. Into early next week, and a west by northwesterly pattern is likely to persist, with some further areas of rain or showers, brighter intervals occasionally just in between. The precise detail day by day open to some question at this time, but a rather mixed weather pattern overall, with Atlantic-driven systems coming through. So some strong winds and rain, all rather frequent in the forecast, heading onwards into next week. And the pattern may just tip around a bit more southwesterly with time, so something a bit milder toward the back end of the week, but it still looks rather unsettled, with plenty of activity near to us over the Atlantic. All your local details for the 3 days ahead, as always, on our website. That is your Fleeting View. Thanks for watching.